Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Simple Market Metrics. You guys, if there is one video that you save, send to friends and family, or rewatch over and over, this is going to be the video for you to learn how to be very successful in the market. Now guys, I'm going to go over the exact technical analysis of everything that you see on the screen here, going over this dashboard, why this is so important to be able to enter it on trades. We're going to go over each of these signals and look at the profit potential on this and why exactly these triggers were fired off on this chart. So when you pull up your charts every single morning, you guys, this is on the 2-minute time frame, you can literally do this and follow these metrics anytime throughout the day to be able to spot the best entries in the market to end up making money. You guys do click the like and subscribe button. I'm actually going to be doing live videos throughout the entire week of when I trade and actually keep track of how I do throughout this entire month and the months coming, so you guys can see the transparency on this channel with using simple market metric indicators. Now you guys, the first thing that I want you to do when you get onto your charts, this is a step-by-step video. Follow these steps in order and I guarantee you're going to find either much more success or at least better success than what you're having right now. I want you guys to go on the 2-minute time frame to start off with. Go under here under inputs and I want you to change this to 100. You can choose anything. You could choose 300 if you wanted to. You could choose 500. What I like to do, I want you guys to set this to 100. I want you to look at all these other metrics, copy these metrics down, okay? Go ahead and populate that on your chart, and this is what you're going to end up seeing. This is a live video making right now. Today is July 7th at 9:51. You guys can see right here, 9:50 at the bottom, just so you guys can see what price action is going to be happening even here in the future in a moment. But I want to show you, the first step is putting on linear regression. This is going to tell you exactly the trend that you're heading in the market. And in this case, we are heading in a bull market trend. So doing so, I want you to have your buy signals illuminated. So second step, go back to simple market metrics, go to the style and put on your buy signal. Why would you be having sell signals on if the overall trend is in an upper direction? If you have sell signals on, you're literally fighting against the trend. You're almost like a salmon. You know how a salmon like goes upstream instead of actually going with the stream? Don't be a salmon. So trade with the trend. So have the buy signals illuminated. The second thing third thing I want you guys to look out for is this dashboard above here is going to show you all the key metrics and literally only the few metrics that you need to have in the market to be able to know when to enter in a trade, in my opinion. Now you guys, I'm going to go over this in detail here real quick. This first thing that you're going to look at is this white line is going to literally tell you if money is either flowing into the market, typically that's when price is increasing, or when money is flowing out of the market, that's when you can tell the price is decreasing. So that's number one on the dashboard. Second thing are these green and red dots. These dots are key EMA crossovers coded into this dashboard to say right at this specific area multiple times. This is just a great indication that you could actually see a push to the upside. Now, the last one is this middle band, which is actually very useful. And this is very useful to actually know when to not only enter into a trade, but to know how long to stay within a trade as well. So for example, right here on candle close, this was over here, 445275. All of our metrics were in combination, you guys can tell right here. Money was flowing into the market, green dot, which is a key EMA crossover, and our middle band completely solid green. Now, staying within this trade, as you guys can tell right now, since this is a live video, this has stayed green this entire time. So you wouldn't want to just necessarily just get in, jump out, and then just say, okay, that's done for the day. I have a trading method myself where I like to just go for 1 point on the 2-minute time frame, trading with 4 lots, which is $200 each trade. But I'm going to show you how, if you follow that simple rule, if you have multiple spots in the market, this can actually add up really quick throughout the entire day. But if you're looking for something to kind of trade a little bit longer and to stay within a position, this is something where this ended up running 16.25 points, still trading in a live market. So I want to show you guys exactly what this kind of correlates to. And we're going to break this down just with one lot in the market. Now, one lot, I use Tradeovate. You guys can use whatever you want, NinjaTrader. I use Tradeovate because I like to be able to purchase only one contract for $500. So I can purchase one contract for $500, and each point that it moves, it represents $50. So let's bring up a calculator here to the right, and let's go ahead and populate this on the chart, and let's see exactly what's going on here. Actually, let's go ahead and bring this up here a little bit higher so you guys can see this. Let's just add up these right here. So we're going to have 16.25 points plus 2.50 plus 3.75 plus 12. That's 34.5 times 50. Now that's $1,700 max potential profit from candle entry to candle high. Now I'll be the first to say no one's going to be able to guess the exact entry from starting to finish. So let's just take something as simple as going back and let's divide this by, let's do times it by 0.25. So let's say you got like a quarter of that. So you're literally looking at a potential of just running a quarter of the length each time of $400 or just over $400 trading in a single day, just using these metrics in the market, since you're actually going with the trend. So this is exactly how I trade and how I teach to do futures trading inside my group, and then also with the mentoring that I do with one-on-one, is to show you guys exactly what to look out for in the market and to have all your metrics in combination. I did a video just yesterday where I was in a live trade. I wasn't in a live trade, but I was looking for one, but the metrics were just not lined up at all. And there's something very important where, like right here, just because we're into this top right section, yes, historically in the past, take a look. This is a great area in the market where if you're more of an advanced trader, you could be like, yeah, well, this is going to actually go to the downside. So why don't you either play puts if you're doing options or just selling the market? Well, you can, but you have to be able to make sure that all of your metrics are in combination to the downside first. Because right now, if you were to go short, you have no idea if this is just going to keep continuing to the upside. But what I can tell you is right now, take a look at our band. This is going to tell you whether you're either going to get a reversal in the market or not. And right now, I wouldn't actually even consider entering into a short position until we get metrics like this in the market. You guys can see how money is then now flowing out, red dot in the middle and then middle band. Those are the areas in the market where you can actually look into then go short when you're in an overall bull market trend. Now I want to show you guys, you can get all of these metrics. This is just simple market metrics. You can either type it into your browser or just click the link in the description. This is typically $199. This will be going up. I can guarantee this, you guys. But right now, all the metrics that I use, the buy sell indicator, the advanced dashboard, support and resistance, linear regression, and also multiple time frame EMA indicator. You guys can get lifetime access to this. There's never any monthly service fees. You guys can look at our ratings over here to the right. Take a look at some of our customer comments. We're just having a really amazing time. So right after this video, head to Simple Market Metrics, click the link in the description, load these indicators on your chart, and follow the videos that I'm doing each week. I'm going to be posting as many live videos that I can, and I'm literally going to keep keeping track of my win and loss rates so you can see the success that I'm having, because I want you guys to have the same success. I seriously do. There's so many traders that I've been able to help out with over the couple of years doing this business. I've been trading for almost 10 years, but there's people that are literally quitting their 9-to-5 jobs because they're able to follow these simple metrics in the market. And just today alone, this is just within a single day. And like we said, taking a quarter of those moves in the market, which is very simple to do, that's over $400 trading with a very small account, and that does add up over time. So I just want to thank you guys so much for just taking time to watch this video. Please do like and subscribe to Watch Me Trade Live throughout the week. If you guys have any questions, please reach out to me. Email me at simplemarketmetrics@gmail.com, or just leave a comment below in the description here or in the comments, and I'll get back to everyone. I want this to be a very successful and positive outcome for every single individual that I end up meeting. A lot of the people that I end up trading with and do business with can give testimony saying, yes, when I work with Justin, he responds right away. He's here to help. He's here to educate. And all I really want is the best for you guys and to show you that what we've been able to create is very powerful and you can make money trading in the market. You guys, this is not financial advice. This is just my own opinions. Thank you guys so much for following. I will see you guys back here in a couple days when I start doing some more live trading. But before then, have a blessed one. Take care.